Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. In today's video we are going to learn about punctuation and punctuation marks. So what is punctuation? What are punctuation marks? What do they look like? And when to use them in writing in the sentence, okay? إذن اليوم راح نتكلم عن علامات الترقيم في اللغة الإنجليزية ومتى نستخدمهم في الجملة. Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. And now, let's get started. خلينا نبلش مع بعض. English has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. Why do we use punctuation? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Okay? Very nice. Okay, the first mark we have full stop or period اللي هي النقطة. A full stop is used at the end of sentences. نستخدمها في نهاية الجملة. For example, yesterday I went to the market. Full stop. Okay? My name is Habbas. Full stop. إذا نستخدم نقطة في نهاية الجملة. Then we have comma. A comma indicates a natural stop in a sentence and it's also used to separate items in a list. For example, Emma went to her friend's house, comma, she loves to go there. إذن هون أنا استخدمت الكوما بين الجملتين stop، عملت stop ثم كملت الكلام. Another example, I love bananas, apples, pears, grapes, and potatoes, for example. So this is a list, okay? Then we have to use commas. لازم نستخدم الفواصل, okay? Very nice. Okay, number 3 we have question mark. Question mark indicates the end of a question. علامة السؤال أكيد بنستخدمها في نهاية السؤال. Very nice. For example, what's your name? Question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. Of course, whether with WH questions, okay, where, when, how many, what, which, whatever, or with yes no questions. For example, do you like English? Okay. Are you playing soccer? Question mark. Very nice. Okay, now we have exclamation mark. Of course, we use an exclamation mark to show a very strong feeling. Maybe anger, maybe shock, maybe surprise, whatever, okay? So let's take this example. Watch out! The car is coming towards you. So we have to use an exclamation mark. Another example, what a nice car, okay? Maybe the car is so beautiful, so I say, what a nice car, okay? Very nice. That's lovely. Okay, very nice. Okay, number 5, we have quotation marks. We use quotation marks to show that someone had said something, meaning with direct speech. مع كلام بكون في شخص حكى جملة أو ممكن سأل سؤال فبنستخدم الكلام أو السؤال بين أقواس التنصيص اللي هن quotation mark. For example, I love reading books, said Amy. Then I love reading books, quotation marks, said Amy. Okay, another example, where did you go? Asked Nancy, for example. So here we use quotation marks. Very nice. Okay, now we have parentheses or round brackets اللي هن القوسين. We use this mark to separate extra information from the rest of the sentence or when we want to add emphasis. إذا لما بدي أنا أفصل المعلومة الإضافية عن الجملة استخدم القوسين، أو أيضا لما بدي أحدد معلومة في الجملة أيضا بستخدم القوسين. For example, on the weekend I visited Jack. Who is Jack? Between brackets, my best friend. Okay, very nice. Another example, yesterday, Friday, between brackets, was the last day of school. Okay, very nice. Okay, number 7, we have square brackets. It's used by the author or the editor, okay, to indicate extra information. إذا لما بدي أضيف معلومة في الجملة I use square brackets. For example, the book states when climbing it, هنا الإ اللي هي mountain, okay? It's important to be very safe. So here we have to use square brackets. When climbing it, what is it? A mountain. So I put the word mountain between, okay, square brackets. Very nice. Okay, number 8, we have slash. Slash. Slash indicates the word or and can be used to separate the day, month and year. إذا بستخدم شرطة هيك المائلة slash محل كلمة أو، وأيضا لما بدي أفصل في التاريخ، اليوم، الشهر والسنة. For example, please explain to the teacher when she slash he arrives. إذا ممكن يكون رجل، ممكن يكون امرأة، فحطيت he slash she. Okay. Another example, today or the date is 26 slash 2 slash 2021. Okay, very nice. Okay, now we have hyphen. Hyphen is used to join words together or to separate syllables in a word. إذا لما بدي في وصل وربط الكلمات. Okay, for example, she is very confident. Okay, so here we join these two words together, self and confident, with a hyphen. And to separate syllables in a word, for example, his son is going to be 4 years old. Okay, very nice. Okay, now we have dash. Dash is larger than hyphen. Okay, أكبر شوي من الhyphen. Okay, very nice. Dash indicates a period of time, range of numbers or a distance. إذن الداش بنعبر فيها عن فترة زمنية معينة من إلى، وممكن كمان مسافة معينة من إلى. Okay. For example, I lived in Jerusalem from 1987 to 2021. This is a period of time. فترة زمنية معينة من إلى. Another example, for example, the flight from the USA to Dubai, so here we use a dash, is very long. Okay, the flight from the USA to Dubai is very long. Very nice. Okay, number 11, I think, number 11, we have apostrophe. And apostrophe is used with contraction or with the short form. مع الشكل المختصر أو الاختصارات نستخدم الapostrophe الفاصلة العليا. For example, I didn't go. Did not becomes didn't. So here we have to use an apostrophe. Very nice. The short form is the same thing. subject with a helping verb. Okay, for example, he is playing soccer. He is becomes he's with apostrophe. Okay, very nice. And an apostrophe indicates possession. Okay, اللي هو الملكية. مع الملكية أيضا بستخدم الفاصلة العليا. For example, Jack's car is red. Jack's apostrophe S is red. Okay, very nice. Okay, now we have ellipses points. This mark is a little bit different. Of course, 3 points. Ellipses points. We have 3 points. We use it when there is a pause in the sentence. Okay, اللي هي علامات الحذف. علامة الحذف وكأنه في شيء محذوف في الجملة. Okay, يعني هو بده ينحكى ولكن أنا حذفته and I didn't say it. Okay, for example, ellipsis points. I'm not sure. Another example, I'm sorry. Ellipsis points. Okay, I hope you can forgive me. Okay, very nice. Okay, now we have number 13, colon. We use a colon to introduce an explanation. بدي أقدم أنا تفسير لشيء معين. For example, my friend had a problem. What's the problem? Colon. My friend had a problem. Colon. There was no way he could finish the test in time. Okay, very nice. إذا أنا شرحت شو المشكلة بوضع الكولن اللي هن النقطتين فوق بعض. Okay, very nice. And also we use a colon to introduce an example. بدي أنا أعطي مثال معين باستخدام الcolon. For example, if you want to make pizza, you need to get all the ingredients. For example, colon, of course, for example, colon, tomatoes, cheese, mushrooms, olives, whatever. Okay, very nice. And we also use colon to introduce a list in a sentence. A list. For example, قائمة. طبعا بدي أنا أحكي عن قائمة من الأشياء. فخلينا نأخذ هذا المثال. This example, I like to play all kinds of sports. colon. الآن بدي أحكي الليست القائمة اللي أنا بحب ألعبها من الرياضة. I like to play all kinds of sports. colon. Football, basketball, volleyball, and tennis. Okay, very nice. And the last thing for using a colon, we can use it before direct quote. Okay, before direct quote. For example, she shouted, colon. Of course, what did she shout? She shouted, colon, come back here. Or she asked, colon, where are you going? Okay, very nice. Okay, and finally we have the last punctuation mark, which is semicolon. Okay, we use a semicolon when we want to link two or more ideas in a sentence. إذا بستخدم السيميكولن اللي هي الفاصلة المنقوطة الدوت above comma. Okay, لما بدي أربط فكرتين أو أكثر في جملة. Okay, let's take this example. For example, I enjoy visiting New York, semicolon. Okay, I love living in Jerusalem. إذا هون أنا I'm linking two ideas together. Okay, in the sentence. Another example, I visited Germany in the summer, semicolon, the USA in the spring. Okay, ideas together, very nice. Another one, my birthday is tomorrow, semicolon, therefore I expect lots of presents. Okay, very nice. Hopefully this lesson will be useful for everyone, and if you guys enjoyed this lesson, okay, punctuation marks, Please come back for more lessons on this channel English with Mr. حباس. أتمنى إنه الدرس يكون مفيد للجميع. علامات الترقيم في اللغة الإنجليزية ما هي وكيف نستخدمها أيضا في الجملة خصوصا في الكتابة. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.